Today on How To, we'll be removing the memory card and the SIM card from the Samsung A71 5G device. So in order to do that, all you'll need is a SIM tool. It could be an earring, a paper clip, but the SIM tool typically comes in the phone, and you'll be using it to take out that plate that you see there. There's a little hole at the top of the phone. You will align the SIM tool with that hole where the plate is, and all you have to do is push it in. When you push it in, the plate will stick out, allowing you to pull it right out of the phone. And on that plate you will see two spots, where the bigger one you'll put your micro SD, and the smaller one is where the nano SIM card go. They are cut to size, so you'll know exactly how to place them on that tray. Once you've placed them on the tray, you want to go ahead and slide that plate back into the phone like you see here, and once it's in there, the memory card and the SIM card are fully loaded into your device. Thank you for checking this out. Make sure you share and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.